Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at this antique L-shaped metal trap known as the Gomber Beaten Path Rat Trap. This was first patented by George W. Gomber and assigned to the A.W. Drake Manufacturing Company of Hazleton, Pennsylvania on November 25, 1924. Over time, they made adjustments to the mechanisms. The way it works is there's a spring back here connected to a kill bar and a trigger system. You set it by pulling this back, it clicks into place, you put the bait right there. The idea is an animal is going to smell the bait, want to get it, come in, push that, comes down, and you got them. Now I have to admit, any rat trap that I feel I can stick my finger in is probably not powerful enough, but I think it would work well on mice. So let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get a mouse with this antique metal rat trap. Last night, I set up this antique Gomber rat trap in the barn, and I finally got a mouse. It wanted to get the bait, went in there, pushed the trigger, released the spring, and got caught. To remove it, you pull up this kill bar and give it a little flip. Now this design is not the best. The biggest problem is it's not powerful enough for rats, it's barely enough for mice, and also this trigger system is not right. Most rodents want to pull on bait, but this works when you push it. For the first 3 nights, I had mice come along, take the bait, and when they pulled it, it did not go off. They stole my bait and they were fine. So what I had to do is take a piece of wire and attach a hazelnut to it. That's really firm, so the mouse really had to work on it and finally release the mechanism. Also, this little tab here is a piece of metal that can be bent. That adjusts the sensitivity. So I was able to make it much more sensitive, and that's what it took to finally catch a mouse. It's a very old design, but not the best. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, including many traps that are antique and vintage. So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.